Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is perfect if you have a Litter Robot 3 or 4. It is some waist liners that fit perfectly in your Litter Robot. So it's by a company called Dranbol. This is the box that it comes in, and it is a 60 count of bags. So you get plenty of trash bags for your Litter Robot. And what's nice about them, they're gonna come all nice and rolled up here. And then once you unroll them, you don't have to tear them or anything. Each bag is individual. So I hate the tear ones because sometimes it just rips and then it ends up ripping past the bag and then you have litter leaking out. As far as the plastic itself, it's nice and strong and durable, so it's not easy to puncture or break, which is also another great thing since obviously what you have in here, you don't want leaking out. Now, compared to other waste bags that I have tried out there, these have a nice, easy to use kind of strap here. A drawstring, if you will, so it's really easy to tie them off and seal the bag when it is full and take out to the trash. You don't have to go get any, try to tie the knot or go use any twisty ties or anything like that. It's all built in. Now, to give you an idea of the size of the bag, it is 26.37 inches, or basically 26.25 inches by 15 3/4 of an inch. Now, these bags can hold up to 21 pounds. So they're rated well enough for holding all the waste from your cat's litter box. But overall, if you are looking for some great unscented trash bags for your Litter Robot, I think these are totally worth giving a shot. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.